All right, friends, week 6. Here we go. This is what you got this week. We're going to be talking about how do we support all students and universal design for learning. So to start with, there's going to be a video up here as soon as I upload it. Week 5 wrap up. Please watch that. First, we have some reading and an intro video. So these are in the K-12 Educational Technology Handbook, open source textbook. Universal Design for Learning. And then we're also going to read the digital equity chapter, but we'll actually use that in Perusall. So you're welcome to wait to read that until you want to annotate it in Perusall. So please watch this introduction video. There's also an Edpuzzle video. Then we're going to work on this Padlet here. And there are different types of categories that follow under the Universal Design for Learning that you'll learn about in the video. And so you're going to think of things under these categories and find technologies that can support those principles. So I have a Padlet here and I gave some examples at the top. For example, one category in UDL is engagement, recruiting interest. And so I had this idea that one way to support that using technologies is to have students blog about their interests. It was based on this quote that is from the website on UDL, the CAST website, that we want to optimize relevance, value, and authenticity. And then I just explain students' writing will be for a real audience. Okay, so I have a few examples. You can add a picture or a link or something, but I want you to think about how we can use technologies to support universal design for learning. Okay, and then in the Moodle text box, you're going to answer this question, and I will go back and highlight that so it's easier to see. And then we have your signature assignment check. So we're going to do a peer critique forum, and this is going to cover the next 2 weeks. Okay, so this week what you need to do is you need to start a thread, add a discussion topic where you're going to share 2 or 3 of your products for the signature assignment. Okay, so in this class, the signature assignment, remember, is teaching a unit of instruction. That means that the focus is on utilizing instructional technologies effectively, not as much on actually creating the resources like we do in some of you who are in the other class this semester. So what you're going to be sharing is a link to some draft. So that might be a file in a cloud drive. So if I'm going to say I'm going to have a discussion about this topic, I might write down the discussion post on a Word doc and save it in a cloud drive and give a link. Or I might have an online activity like a Padlet or a Nearpod. And so I'm going to share the link to that for others. And then I'm also going to talk a little bit about the category that my product belongs to. These are based on the categories on the signature assignment, just so we can start understanding how these fit into the whole. All right. So that's all you need to do this week. And then next week, you'll come back and evaluate 3 of your peers. All right. So that's it. Reach out if you need help. And thanks for watching.